Hi, I'm going to do a short tutorial of how to use iMovie and the basics of, making a project. So here I have a list of things I'm going to do. How to add a picture, how to add a title page, how to add text to a picture, how to choose the time of a picture shown, how to gradually zoom in or out of a picture, how to add music, how to adjust the music volume, how to add narration, and how to upload the iMovie to YouTube. So first I'm going to start off with the basics, uploading a picture. So here I have a picture of my painter on my desktop. So what you're going to want to do first is have a picture on your desktop. You can just go to Google Images, drag it, or go in your Finder, drag it somewhere on your desktop, and you simply just drag it there. Give it a couple seconds, and there it is. So to choose the amount of time that the picture is shown, you're going to put your mouse over the picture, and you see this little flower symbol shows up. Just click the arrow, clip adjustments, and then you have your time. Type in however much time you want. 5, enter, and there you go. I'll do that one more time. The down arrow, clip adjustments, just type in a number. If you want to add a text page, you're going to click on the T symbol, choose any text page you want. There are many different designs, so you choose the centered one if you want. And if you want the text page alone by itself, then you put it either in front or behind it. I'll just put it behind it. You choose a theme you want, underwater, stars, choose underwater, and then on the right here you get to choose the text that is shown. Title text here, so you just click delete, and I'll just put the name of my painter, Rufino Tamayo. Just click away, and then boom. And same goes as the picture over here. To choose the amount of time, just click the down arrow, clip adjustments, and you have your time. If you want to put text over a particular picture, you do the same thing. Grab a text from the text box, which I got over here, drag it, and instead of putting it somewhere alone, you actually put it on top of the picture. You want to make sure it's highlighted when you let go. So you're going to let go, and then once you see again here, same as the last one, just on top of the picture, title text here. I'll just put Spanish class 3 honors. It doesn't matter what you say, right? So here, I'll just show you what this looks like so far. Of your Spanish 3 honors, Rufino Tamayo. Now I'm going to show you how to zoom in or out gradually through a picture. It actually does it automatically for you, but if you want to change it up, what you're going to do is start off the same way as if you're changing the time. Put your mouse over the picture, click the down arrow, but instead of picking clip adjustments, you're going to click on cropping, Ken Burns, and rotation. Click here, and 2 boxes show up. One that says start and one that says end. It's pretty self-explanatory. The start box is where the picture will start off, and through the certain amount of time that you chose, it'll end at the end box. So if you want it to start, at his shoulders, end at his head, and you're going to arrange the boxes so. To change the size, you just go to the corners like this, right? So then you choose the boxes. So press done. This is what it looks like. If you put your start and finish boxes far apart from each other with very little time, that means the image is going to go across the screen very quickly. So you either want to make the 2 boxes close together, or they could be far apart, but it would be better to have more time in doing so. Now to add an effect. You're going to click the symbol right here next to the T. You have many different effects to choose from, And if you put your mouse over an effect, it actually previews to you what it would look like. So let's say you like the spinning, you just, same thing as the text, take it, drag it, and you're going to put it either before, between, or after two different pictures. So I'll put it between here, and this is the symbol for the effect. And the same thing goes as for the pictures. If you want to choose the time, same symbol, arrow, instead of clip adjustments, transition adjustments. Click there, type in a number, 5 seconds, enter, and you're done. As you see is a pattern for constant things. If you want to change the settings of something, you just put your mouse over it and look for that little symbol. So let's see what this looks like all together. There you go. Pretty nice. To add music to this, you're going to click the symbol of the musical note here, and it goes straight to your iTunes. Search any song you want. You can just simply scroll through a song. I'll just choose a random song. Here, click a random song, drag it, and boom, there you have it. The green is going to represent the music. It only shows up for a certain portion right now, but as you go along pictures, the green will move along with it, meaning the song continues. It doesn't just stop right here. To change the volume of the song, pretty much the same as the changing the time, you click on the symbol, arrow, you're going to click audio adjustments, and then here you have the volume bar. You have other fade in, fade out, accessories that you can use, but I don't really use them and they're not very necessary. Really the only main thing that you're going to need to adjust with is the volume. So you can make it quieter, louder, whatever you really need. It's never too much of a drastic change, but it helps, if the volume of the song is too loud and it's overpowering your speaking, then you'll put the volume down. So you click done. Then, last thing is adding, a narration to it. For our Spanish project, you have to talk. So this microphone is a way to narrate yourself, a voice cover. But I personally find that it is sometimes confusing to use and has some flaws. So what I personally like to do is do a recording of myself on GarageBand first, and then from GarageBand you just go share to iTunes, and then you can just upload it straight from how we learned earlier to upload a song. For me that's much easier, but if you like it this way, then that also works too. Lastly, sharing it to YouTube. Once you have your video all finished up, you can go share, YouTube, and this shows up. You're going to choose your account, type in your password, category, education, title, add any description if needed, and that's really the only thing you need to add. You probably want to change it to medium if it's not already in medium. That's usually the best option. You don't need to do large or HD. It just takes up more memory and takes longer to download. But all you really need to do is password, title, description. You're good to go. Then you click next and it'll upload straight to your YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe. It'll help me out.